So my phone stopped recording when it fell, and I kept on talking like a dumbass. And I fucking Megan ran up to me because I started crying. But anyway, I'm all right. I'm good, guys. All right, I'm good. So, anyways, I don't even know where I was. I already forgot, and I'm getting tired of recording because I'm exhausted. But anyway, so I'm gonna make maybe a third video now. Fucking a. I want to make a third video where I have stage two. Stage two is now everything attached, everything clipped on securely. So it's very secure and it can be mounted and unmounted. So that's good, right? Stage two is where everything's mounted securely onto Megan. And this is just like a separate part that I'm adding. I want to make this a bit more secure, the flashlight. I'm thinking of like making it maybe like this way. So I can easily just pull the flap over the bag. But I'm still working on that. And that probably, and I'm exhausted, guys. I smashed my finger the other day. I can barely use it. I'm dead. I'm tired. And I'm like, because of the sickness. Down with the sickness. I don't feel too good. But I love Megan. And, this is for my benefit. If one day if I were to fall, if I get an attack, what I call an attack, while I'm walking her or something like that, I have some provisions here. If something does happen, because she's kind of wild and dumb too. Like she's a great dog, but she's wild and dumb. I have not only her leash, but I have another method to control her and an entire harness. So I really thought, like, this is something important in a way. Maybe not all dogs need to be military trained. Maybe not all dogs need a tactical flashlight, knife carrying, stage two, stage three, final form, over 9,000 power harness. But for me, like, I could really use that. It would really help me, especially with like my health stuff and all that. So, look, it hasn't even fallen off yet, but I want to try and make it a bit more secure. That's really cool. That's really on there. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna make up maybe a third video tomorrow or Sunday, and I'll show you stage final form Transformers, monsters in disguise, and with everything secured 100% on Megan. All right, guys, take care. Shocker, shocker.